Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be answering the question, can you renew a U.S. passport outside the USA? Let's dive into it. So yes, you can renew your U.S. passport while you're abroad. First, you'll need to visit the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate in the country where you're located. Alternatively, you can visit the official website at travel.state.gov/content/transports passport/. Once you're on the website, you'll find all the information you need. Here, you can fill out your passport renewal form. After completing it, make sure to check the box confirming that you've read the Privacy and Computer Fraud and Abuse Act's notices and disclaimers. Then submit the form. Next, schedule your visa interview at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate in the country you're in. You'll need to bring your current passport, a recent passport photo, and proof of U.S. citizenship. Additionally, don't forget to pay the renewal fee. Depending on the country, the embassy or consulate may require you to make an appointment for passport renewal, so be sure to check the specific instructions on their website. Once you submit everything, processing typically takes several weeks, so plan accordingly. And that's how you can renew your U.S. passport while abroad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides.